Hi everyone, Bolt has officially released a new AI coding platform which is bolt.diy, and this is the interface here you see, and here you can use any kind of provider like Google, Olama, Hugging Face, Gork and DeepSeek, Anthropic and OpenAI also, and here you'll be able to choose the model name. So in this video I'll show you that how to do the setup in locally and use the free API. So first of all, I have given this GitHub link in the description. Go to that link. Here under this code, copy the HTTPS link, okay, and open a terminal and do this git clone, paste the link. After that, a folder will be created in your local. So open this folder in your VS Code, okay, and after that do this and then just do pnpm install. And if in your system pnpm is not there, then just do npm install -g pnpm. After that pnpm will be installed. After that run this pnpm install, and after that do this pnpm run dev. Okay, so here you see that when you do this pnpm run dev, it will start the local server and in 5173 port, and when you open that port you will find this bolt.diy. Okay, and here let me show you some extra features that they have added. So many of you already know about the autodef or this bolt any llm. Okay, so here you see that previously also I made a video on this free bolt.new, but that was not the official bolt free bolt.new. So now they have made this bolt.diy is the official open source version of bolt.new. But if you normally use this bolt.new, it is not free, because after using 6 to 7 prompts, it will ask you to upgrade your version or to buy the premium plan. But here you can use any kind of provider and the free API to generate the app. Okay, so now they have added these extra features like Gemini integration and this DeepSeek API integration. Containerize the application is Docker for easy installation. Publish projects directly to GitHub, and here you see that ability to revert the code to earlier version, and also many more. So here also you will get the prompt library to have different variation of prompts for different use cases. And also here you see the other features. Let me show you one by one. So first of all, I went to this ChatGPT and I asked it that I want to build simple app, give me 10 such ideas. So it has generated 10 such ideas. So let me choose one. So I'll choose this one, like personal journal app generator. Okay, so copy this prompt and go to this bolt.new and paste it here. Now before generating the app, here you have to choose the model name. So let me choose this Google, and let me choose here this 2.0 flash. And now here you have to put the API key. So they have also given a section to put your API key. So here you see that, click on this edit API key, and here you have to put the API key. How to get the API key? I have told you many times in my other videos that go to this link AI Studio and click on this get API key, and here create API key option, and after that you can create an API key. So just copy this and paste it here. Okay, now if you have any doubt that how to get this Google API key, you can watch these videos. Okay, so here you see that this is the video, this Ada plus Gemini 2.0, or this the other videos like Rook line, then you will get the idea. Okay, so now let me show you. So I have put it the API key. Now click on this enter. Now before that, here you see that you will get this prompt enhancement section. Okay, and this file upload section, and this audio section, like you can actually talk with this AI interface. Okay, and here also you will do the you will be able to the model settings. Okay, here. Okay, and now click on this enter. Now while you will enter, here you see that it is generating the code. Okay, so here you see that it is doing creating the package.json. After that it will run the npm install, and here you see that it has generated the files like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, my app is ready within a second. Now what I will do, that I will put this AI digit. Okay, add tags. So I will do this subscribe. Okay, and click on this add entry. Oh wow, it is working. Now what are the features that you will get? So here you see that you will get the URL that you can share with anyone, and also here you see that you can switch the device mode, like you can make it responsive, and also if I switch on this code section, there you will get many options. Like here you see the save and reset option, okay, and after that push to GitHub, you can push your code directly to the GitHub, and also this toggle terminal and download code, okay. And on the left hand side here you see that you can switch your model anytime, okay. And this is the thing. And another thing is that export chat. So when you will export your chat, after that when you will come to this UI next time, so let me show you again. So here you see that import chat option, okay. So you can directly upload the chat history here and you can start communicating, okay. And also you can import the code folder also, and you can clone the git repo, okay. So these are the new features that you will get. So I think you got the idea how to use this. And also you can try with the other models like DeepSeek, Anthropic. DeepSeek I have already told you in my last video. So this is the video, this client plus DeepSeek V3. If you watch this video, then you will get the idea that how to use this DeepSeek API. Okay, I will give this link in the I button. You can watch there. So this is the features, and this is bold.diy setup. I think you found this video helpful, guys. Please do subscribe this channel. Please don't forget to like this video, guys, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.